Did you ever buy something in a grocery store and thought about, can I plant that? I think I decided I'm gonna make a new series where I'm gonna do exactly that. Buy different things and either start it from the roots like with the ginger or from seeds, and we have a look what of it we can actually plant. So I have a whole root of ginger. What I need now is one that's a pot that's pretty firm. That one seems good. Has at least two buds on it. Then I need to have it about 3 centimeters or about an inch long. Probably gonna take that on. It's a tiny little bit longer, but what I'm gonna do now is let it dry out for a couple days because the wound needs to dry out and close up. And then we're gonna bring our pot with the soil back and get it started. So I'll let that dry, and I'm gonna bring you back when those couple days are over. I did soak the ginger root overnight. It's not a must, but it can help increasing the growth. Now we just need to the buds up, put it in the soil, cover it up, and normally I would say now water it, but we had a huge thunderstorm last night and that soil is plenty wet. So what I have now is put it right in here, pull it down, cover it up. I don't cover it up a lot. Put it aside. And now we're gonna see if it's gonna grow. That's as simple as it can go planting a ginger. And I keep you guys posted if I'm successful with planting a ginger out of the grocery store. I can do more like that video if you want me to. Let me know what else you would like to grow once. Which fruit or vegetable. I mean, I probably wouldn't buy a cucumber and grow it because you can get the seeds for that so cheap. I might gonna try this year if people are interested in. I might start trying out to save seeds out of my garden or save seeds out of stuff I find in the wild when I go foraging. Let me know if that's something you want to see. Let me know what else you want to see soon. If you want an update on the ginger, if you want to see something else, what you like to see, what you don't like to see, I would love to make some content that you wish for. I know last year a couple of you requested to have videos about how to use the goldenrod. Unfortunately, the winter came real fast back then and that stuff all died. But that's definitely something I'm gonna make as soon as the stuff comes back up. I did already find the first. I did already find the first dandelions and a couple other flowers. So foraging and home remedies and plant product season is coming here pretty soon. Much faster than the gardening season actually. The greenhouse almost done too, so this year when I do seed starting, I might make a video for it. We're gonna be able to hopefully make that in a greenhouse, which is really exciting. As soon as that's done, if you wanna see it, I'll make a tour. I mean, it's tiny, but I can show you when it's done. I would have showed you the process, but my boyfriend is not comfortable yet in front of the camera, so we're gonna leave that for now. I hope when we once get that homestead of ours, then we're gonna be able to make building videos and stuff like that too. He was 30 years in construction, if not even more, so he knows what he's doing. That's really exciting for me. But other than that, that's all I have for today. Let me know what you want to see next. I would love to do something you like to see. Until the next time, stay prepared and sustainable.